Well, hello, kindergarten. So remember we read the story, The Right Tools by Ingrid Jacobson. It's a nonfiction story. We know it's nonfiction because the pictures are real. So we know that it's a true story, a real story. It's not fiction. So nonfiction. The Right Tools. I'm noticing a tool that I had when I was little. Give me a connection if you see a tool that you have at your house. I'm spying a wagon. Let's see if we can find some more tools. The right tools can make hard work easy. These kids will use their tools to make something big. Jay uses his wagon to move the tools. It can be hard work, but a wagon can make it easy. So think about what we talked about how the wagon makes it easier, right? Instead of having to carry all of those things, he can just pull them. Jane uses her shovel to dig in the sand. It can be hard work, but a shovel can make it easy. Would you rather use your hand to dig a hole or a shovel to dig a hole in the sand? What do you think? I'd rather use a shovel. That's going to be a lot easier. There's the blade and the handle. That helps it make it a lot easier to do that work. Sam uses his pail to carry water. It can be hard work, but a pail can make it easy. And the pail has a handle, so we carry it from, and then here's the bucket. Mike uses his hoe to push the sand. It can be hard work, but a hoe can make it easy. Liz uses her funnel to shape the sand. It can be hard work, but a funnel can make it easy. I'm noticing that all of these sentences, all these pages end in can make it easy. So I'm hearing a lot that tools help make hard work a lot easier. Meg uses her rake to make the sand smooth. It can be hard work, but a rake can make it easy. Think about how your grown-up uses a rake. Maybe they use a rake in the yard to rake up leaves. It's a lot easier to rake up all those leaves and catch all of those leaves in your rake than for your grown-up or you to go and pick up every leaf by itself. A rake definitely makes hard work easy. Look at what the kids made with their tools. A big sand castle. So now your challenge is going to be to think about a tool that you enjoy using. We've definitely looked at some in the story, right? So we know that a wagon is a tool, a shovel is a tool, a bucket is a tool, a hoe is a tool, a funnel is a tool, a rake is a tool, and then all of those tools this time were used to build a sandcastle. So maybe you've used one of those tools to make a sandcastle. That could be what you choose to write about today. You could also choose to write about something else. What I want you to do is I want you to think of a tool you enjoy or like using, and I want you to draw a picture of it, and then I want you to write about it. For example, let's pretend I picked the wagon. Then I want you to draw a picture of you and how you use the wagon. Maybe you put your cat in it, and you pull your cat around the yard in it. Maybe you put your little sister in it, and you pull your little sister around the yard in your wagon, okay? And then I want you to tell me about it. So if I put my toys in a wagon, I would draw a picture of me with my toys in a wagon, and then I would write, I carry toys in a wagon. I want you to use your sight words, your rules for writing, so finger spaces, capital letters, and I want you to sound out your words, okay? I can't wait to see what you do. See you later.